controller. Conductor 1, fuel injector, ignition coil. Conductor 2, fuel injector, ignition coil. Positive. Cover craft conductor, engine block round. Silver positive conductor, ignition coil. Electric conductor, battery pack. Electric motor. This hybrid vehicle combines a true flame engine with a gas-powered motor. An electric engine along with a chassis frame. Seating for a mid-sized vehicle. A sitting bath for showers, sprayer nozzle and hydroponic food chambers for vegetables and fruit. The dual flame engine uses methane and helium as fuels. While the gas-powered motor and electric engine provide additional power sources. The hydroponic food chambers use blue light, letting degrow lights and a climate-controlled environment to optimize plant growth. Advanced helium, power space helicopter. High-efficiency helium inducer using advanced nanomaterials and quantum computing optimization. Helium-fueled engine. Fueled engine utilizing advanced combustion chamber designs and exotic matter injectors. 3 titanium walnut shell shape. A lightweight, high-strength titanium structure shaped like a walnut shell, providing excellent aerodynamics and protection. Floor pedaling electric system. An advanced electric propulsion system powered by pedaling. Utilizing advanced capacitors, electric motors, and energy harvesting technology. 5 advanced propulsion systems. Fusion reactor. Fusion reactor using advanced magnetic confinement and plasma compression. Antimatter drive and a data reactor generating immense thrust and specific impulse. Exotic matter propulsion system. Utilizing negative zirconium and other exotic matter states. 6 space-ready design. Is designed for space travel with a heat shield, thermal protection, and advanced life support systems. 7 advanced materials. The AHPSH is constructed with advanced materials, including nanomaterials, metamaterials, and smart materials. A high-gain communication system to enable communication with Earth and other spacecraft using quantum entanglement nuclear communication. An advanced radio frequency sophisticated navigation system. Utilizing GPS, inertial measurement units, celestial navigation, and advanced sensors. 10 modular payload bay. A modular payload bay allowing for easy installation and removal of scientific instruments, experiments, and cargo. 11 artificial gravity. A rotating section of the spacecraft, providing artificial gravity for the crew. Using rotation, centrifuges, gravity simulation, magnetic fields, and exotic matter. 12C. Toilet